Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to take a quick peek at loading a Geodimeter file into Trimble Business Center. So I have a Trimble Business Center open. First of all, I want to go File. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, New. And I'm gonna scroll down, and since I know the file should be in metric, I'm gonna click on my metric template, which comes with Trimble Business Center as a default. Hit OK. Once I hit OK, it will open a new file, and as you can see down at the bottom bar, we have that current distance units is metric. Foot definition is international, and that's it, that's all. Then we're gonna open a folder with the Geodimeter job file, and we're gonna just drag it and drop it in a plan view. It will bring it in, and here is some observations and all that stuff. So a whole bunch of points, they are all in red for some reason, which is okay for now. So there is a whole bunch of observations, but if we look at the job file, you see, so we have the observations here, and we have the backside S4 and all these things, right? So as you can see, let's see if we can so total station observation number 1 here, it's point S2 enabled, raw instrument height, raw target height 1.42, true vertical custom prism, right? So you can change that if you use the backside, no, horizontal and vertical. Phase 1 was this, compute data and everything. So everything so far seems okay. Now, that being said, if you think that this should be in feet, down here at the bottom, if you click on the units and then you change to, let's say, international feet, it will recalculate everything in your project to feet, right? So as you can see, international foot, and now everything is in feet, as the backside heights and all that stuff, right? So just this is the S1 easting, northing, and everything is now from in feet. So pretty straightforward. From now on, you would probably want to go to your I guess survey and do the processing and network adjustment and all that good stuff, right? And see where you get. Obviously I already changed it to feet. Now I can go back, change it to metric, but I would like to, there is always a computation error, right? Not computation, transformation error. So I would go back and redo the whole import and use that as for my future computations. So hope you enjoyed these little snippets, and we'll see you next time.